this is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. And we have Lorderna and Kenny here from West Orange, New Jersey. They've been here all week, and we've been seeing them once a day, Monday through today, which is Thursday, our last day in the office. By the way, we will be out of the office all next week. Renee and I are taking a break and going down to South Padre Island, Texas to visit our son in South Texas. And we'll probably be doing some videos down there on the beach for you. But this will be the last day that we're in here. So if you want to make an appointment request, go to advancedhoustonchiropractor.com and fill out an appointment request. Because we won't be answering the phones. Okay, lift your head up. We won't be here to answer the phones. Joseph's going to West Virginia. Aren't you doing a sermon this weekend?
I am.
Aren't you doing the Sunday service?
Yes, sir.
Okay, breathe through your nose, honey. There you go. Now you should have felt that all the way down, Lorderna.
I do.
Good.
I do.
See, your head's still on there and you're still kicking. All right.
Yeah.
Good.
Good.
That was a good one.
Love that.
Okay, let's have this relax. Good girl.
Mm-hmm.
Crack Agg's gonna love you. Look at that. Oh.
That feels good.
Yeah,
It is.
that's my favorite. Alright, let's have you come over here. I need an adjustment right now myself. Here, let me help you. I need to clone myself so I can get an adjustment. There we go. Okay, right on the 7 for me, please.
Missed the layup.
What's that?
Say you missed the layup.
Oh, yeah, I did. I wasn't even paying attention.
There's a no looker.
As a no thinker. Yeah, I wasn't even focusing on it. Okay, now we're adjusting Lorderna's sacrum right in the center of her pelvis, and then her right SI joint. And then drop an L5 straight down P to A, L4, L3, L2, and then we'll get in her lower thoracics here. That's it. Okay. Lorderna, you're going to feel your head popping up a little bit on this next one.
Mm-hmm.
There we go. Okay, let's turn you on your back now. There we go. Good. There we go. That's it. Now slide down just a little bit more. And put your arms straight out to the sides. Relax your leg right here in my hand. Put your hands on your tummy. There we go. Should have felt that in your knee all the way up to your low back.
Yes, I do.
Okay. Same here. That a girl. Good. Okay. Let's sit you up and face over towards Kenny there. Okay. Alright. Okay, just breathe. There we go. Yep. Alright. There we go. Okay, let's stand you up here in front of the mirror now, Lorderna. Okay, let's have you close your eyes again and bend your head forward and backwards for me, please. Much better. Take a look in the mirror now. So you're not so far twisted left now. So we're going to pull these up and back. Throw these back here. Now let's pull your head straight back first. And I want you to twist your whole body to the right.
Okay.
Okay. Head all the way back. There we go. Okay, now relax. Okay, now have you flex your head forward and backwards again. Wow, great range of motion. How'd that feel comparatively that time we're done? Easier?
Yes.
Smoother?
Yes.
So people are going to be wondering, why did you guys come all the way down here from New Jersey to get adjusted here by me today? Or this week, actually.
Because I was watching the YouTube video and I see that from what I was going through, you were able to help me.
Okay. And you've seen other chiropractors before, right?
Yes, I do. Several chiropractors I have seen.
And how has this technique worked for you?
Differently. That's why I come here.
Does it help better?
Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Much
So you'd
better.
recommend other people from New Jersey
Yes,
to
they
come
can
down
come. They can come.
Yeah,
watch
they
the
should.
video and come over.
here? Okay.
There will be a big difference.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you very much for sharing your story with everyone.
problem.
This is your Houston chiropractor, Dr. Gregory Johnson, coming to you from Advanced Chiropractic Relief in Houston, Texas. We'll see y'all soon.